The gold rush of 2025. Is London running out of gold? Welcome to New Green Wave News TV, your source for in-depth financial insights. Gold, the ultimate symbol of wealth and security, has reached unprecedented levels, with prices surging to record highs in 2025. Investors worldwide are rushing to gold as a safe haven, but behind the scenes, troubling reports from London are raising concerns. Delays in deliveries, skyrocketing interbank lending rates, and whispers of dwindling physical gold supplies suggest that the world's largest gold hub may be facing an unseen crisis. Could London actually be running out of gold? And what does this mean for global markets? Stay with us as we uncover the full story behind the gold rush of 2025. Please note this article is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice or encouragement. The Bank of England, home to approximately 400,000 gold bars valued at over £200 billion, has been a cornerstone of the global gold market for centuries. However, while the bank itself owns only 2 bars for display, the remaining reserves belong to foreign central banks, commercial institutions, and the UK Treasury. Traditionally, London has provided liquidity and stability to the global gold trade, but recent developments indicate a shift in the balance. Reports suggest that gold deliveries, which once took days, are now facing delays of up to 8 weeks. Meanwhile, interbank gold leasing rates have surged, reflecting growing concerns over the availability of physical gold. This raises a fundamental question: does London actually have enough gold to meet demand? Looking at history, similar trends have signaled significant economic shifts. The California gold rush of the 1800s reshaped entire economies as people rushed to secure their fortune. Today, we see a modern version of this movement, not in goldfields, but in vaults, banks, and global financial systems. Governments, investors, and central banks are all scrambling to acquire gold as uncertainties mount. What makes this different from past gold rushes is the impact of technology, globalization, and shifting geopolitical landscapes. A key turning point came in 2024, when the Reserve Bank of India withdrew over 200 tons of gold from the Bank of England. This marked the largest repatriation of gold in decades and raised speculation about why major economies are pulling their reserves out of foreign vaults. Some analysts believe this move is to protect national reserves from potential financial sanctions, following the example set by Russia and China. Others argue that it is simply a cost-saving strategy. However, India is not alone. Other nations, particularly in Europe, are quietly repatriating their gold reserves, signaling a potential shift in confidence regarding foreign-held assets. London has long been the center of the physical gold trade, with the London Bullion Market Association, LBMA, setting global standards for purity, delivery, and security. However, despite massive gold holdings in its vaults, reports suggest that much of this gold is not readily available for trade, as many institutions operate on a just-in-time inventory model. This means that gold is refined and converted into LBMA-approved bars only when needed, making the market highly vulnerable to supply chain disruptions. Recent reports indicate that gold shipments from London to the United States have increased drastically, possibly due to speculation over upcoming US import tariffs. This rapid outflow has created supply shortages in London, driving up lending rates and making it increasingly difficult to secure physical gold. As these pressures mount, analysts and investors are watching gold prices closely. Some experts predict that if supply issues persist, gold could skyrocket beyond $5,000 or even $10,000 per ounce in the coming years. Others argue that central banks could take action to stabilize prices, potentially leading to increased volatility. Regardless of which direction gold moves, one thing is clear: gold's role as a global financial anchor is stronger than ever. Thank you for tuning in to New Green Wave News TV. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to subscribe for more breaking financial news like this article, and follow us on social media to stay informed. Let us know in the comments: do you think London is truly running out of gold, or is this just market speculation? Stay ahead of the trends, stay informed, and we'll see you next time. This article is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice or encouragement.